Hi there, students. To flit, a verb, and I guess a noun as well, a flit. Okay, so to flit is to move quickly, agilely from place to place, not stopping very long in any of these places. So there were bats in the trees flitting from place to place. When my friend is in London, he flits from place to place using taxis. So to move around, to flit from one thing to another, always changing activities. Somebody who's impatient, who's rather nervous, they flit from one thing to another. They can't concentrate for a long time on anything. Maybe an expression could flit across your face, to appear, exist, and then disappear. An idea could flit across your mind. The idea of going to the beach flitted across my mind, and then I said, no, I've got to stay here and work. I've got to do the things that I'm supposed to do. A flit. I think this would be a sudden escape, a quick journey somewhere. You've got the phrase to do a moonlight flit. I've got a video about that and I'll put it in the end screens. To make a quick journey somewhere. So when he got out of the police station, he knew he was going to prison, so he did a flit to somewhere in Latin America. Yeah, he just escaped quickly. Okay, so to flit, to go from one place to another, to jump from one thing to another, to move around nimbly, agilely, or to change from one state to another. So somebody that is very volatile, somebody who's rather bipolar, they flit from being very happy to being very unhappy, just like that, from thing to thing. If you ever watch the Disney film Pocahontas, there is a character in this. It's a hummingbird, and the hummingbird is called Flit, because Flit flits from flower to flower. It goes from one place, one flower to the next, never staying a long time at any of them. Okay, so to flit, to dance about, yeah, to move quickly. The birds darted about, they darted from place to place. To flick here and there, pew, 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 pew. Yeah, they flitted backwards and forwards, they dashed. To do a flit, to escape, to run away. Yeah, so when he discovered that she was pregnant, he did a flit. He did a moonlight flit. When she discovered that he was very untrustworthy, she did a flit. And that would be reasonable both ways. No, I think hers is better than his. So to move rapidly from one state to another, yeah, it flits from one thing to another. Yeah, to move around in an erratic, fluttering way. So he owns lots of houses, and he lives in each one of them for a couple of days, and then he flits to another one. He's a very nervous character. He flits between London, Paris, Munich, New York, and Tokyo. That sounds like quite a life, doesn't it? Flitting from place to place. Yeah? You turn your attention from one thing to another. He's a very inconstant character, and he's always flitting from one girl to another. She flits from one dance partner to the next. If you watch bats, they flit around. Yeah, they're going from tree to tree. They're flitting from place to place. They're skimming, and then an expression could flit across your face, yeah, or an idea could flit across your mind. Yeah, he was unable to stop a look of boredom flitting across his mind, across his face. Memories of the past flitted across my mind. Yeah, they went across my mind. To do a flit, to run away, to do a moonlight flit. Yeah, when his creditors started to get angry, he did a flit, he did a moonlight flit. He flitted, he was out of there. So, to flit, formality, this word sounds a little bit literary. I think I'm going to give it a 6, maybe 6.5 in formality. To jump from place to place, I would say informally. You use it in a semi-formal conversation or above. And then as to origin, let's see, there's an Old English word flitten, meaning the same thing, from Old Norse flitja, to move, from Proto-Germanic fludjana, to move about, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European plud, to flow or to run. So please keep watching my videos and don't flit from channel to channel. This reminds me of somebody with the remote control. They flit from channel to channel because they can't find anything they want to watch. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Flit. To do a moonlight flit.